Tally Prime, and from gateway of Tally press V, and we have to select journal voucher from the right hand side, and by pressing F2 you have to change your voucher date. So I'm going to change here 1st April 22 date. So here we are going to pass and we are going to record prepaid rent expenses in single voucher. First, we will have to bifurcate the total rent paid amount. It was 1.5 lakh, and as because we are going to record in single entry, so in rent expenses we have to pay only for 12 months. 1.2 lakh we will debit in rent expenses ledger, and again we have to debit prepaid rent expenses. So we have paid prepaid rent expenses for 3 months. It was 30,000, so 30,000 will be debit, and cash will be credit with rupees 1.5 lakh. So this is a single entry, and this is how you have to pass if you want to pass prepaid rent expenses entry in single vouchers. Likewise, you can also record this entry in single voucher. As you can see, in rent expenses there is 1.2 lakh rupees debit, and prepaid expenses 30 lakh rupees debit, and cash will be credit with 1.5 lakh. So let's go to balance sheet and let's see how this entry will impact on balance sheet. So I'm going to open current assets, and in current assets we have to open prepaid rent expenses, and in April month you can see 30,000 amount is showing in debit side, so which we have already passed, so that's why this entry is showing in April month. And let's open profit and loss account in direct expenses, and now here you can see rent expenses ledger and open in April month ledger. So you can see here's entry is showing 1.2 lakh. It means this is a 12-month rent expenses we have booked in our Tally Prime. So
Namaste दोस्तों, hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. Welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. In previous video we have seen the meaning of tangible assets, and in today's video we are going to discuss about intangible assets. You people know very well there is a two types of assets in accounts: tangible assets and intangible assets. We have already seen the meaning of tangible assets, and today we are going to discuss about intangible assets. So let me tell you first what is the meaning of intangible assets. So an intangible asset is an asset that is not in a physical form. Intangible assets you can't see, you can't feel, you can't touch. It cannot be held or manipulated. So as because this is not in a physical form, so you can't see and you can't feel this type of assets. So let's take some example of intangible assets. So there is an example I'm going to tell you so that you can understand what is a exactly intangible assets. So patent, brand, copyrights and trademarks, all this kind of assets are comes in intangible assets. If you're taking computer software, so that is also intangible asset because it is not a physical format, so that's why it is also comes in intangible assets. So intangible assets created by a company and company can use in future for further. And intangible assets is create business, and businesses are created by intangible assets, and intangible assets are opposite of tangible assets. These assets are not recorded on the balance sheet because it is not a physical form. That's why this is not recorded on the balance sheet. And these assets are considered as a long-term assets whose value increase over the time. So I hope you will understand the meaning of intangible assets in accounts. I hope this video will help you out. If this video will help you out, so please like, share and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, which is Suman Education Hub English. Thank you and keep watching my videos.
So first of all, I will show you how to check quotation which you have made in Tally Prime. So from gateway of Tally, you have to press DSS, and from here you can see delivery challan. Click on it. You can see 3 challan we have made. So let's open balance sheet from gateway of Tally, and I will show you how this delivery note entry will be impact on balance sheet and where this entry will show. So open balance sheet, current assets, and then click on sundry debtors. Now you can see here sale bill to make, means there is showing that challan, and the party name. When you will click on party name, you can see there is a 3 challan made of same party name, Suman Education Hub. There is a 3 challan which you have already made, and these challans invoice to be made. So that's why Tally is showing sale invoice to be made. So I will tell you how to convert this quotation into sale invoice. From gateway of Tally, press V, select sale invoice from right hand side. Press F2 and change date, in which date you are going to make sale invoice. Select party name. Now you can see very important option is showing here, list of tracking number. Here is showing all those challan which we have made of this party name, challan number 1, 2 and 3. There is showing all challan number. You have to select those challans against you want to make sale invoice. If you want to make sale invoice against challan number 1 and 2, so here you can select challan number 1 and 2. If you want to make sale invoice against challan number 1, 2, 3, all these challan numbers, so you can select all these 3 challans. After selecting all these challans, you have to press enter and save this screen, and after this again save this screen, and after that you have to select sales ledger. So in sales ledger you have to select sales. Now you can see all the name of item, quantity, rate and amount automatically picked because we have selected delivery challan number 1, 2 and 3. As soon as you have selected delivery challan number, all the challan number item will be appear over here automatically. You don't need to pick quantity, rate or amount. All the details will be picked automatically, and after that you just have to apply tax. If you are selling local area, so you have to select CGST, SGST. If you are selling interstate, IGST. Let me show you print preview of the challan. You can see print preview of the challan, invoice number, date, and now you can see delivery note. Challan number 1, 2, 3 is showing over here, and you can see delivery note, challan number, date also you can see over here. Here you can see all the information on sale invoice like delivery note, delivery date over sale invoice, so that you can give it to the party and party can also verify this against which challan number you have generated sale invoice. I'll show you again from gateway of Tally. I will open balance sheet and then sundry debtors. Now you can see before there was showing sale invoice to be made, and now there is not showing sale invoice to be made because we have already made sale invoice, so that's why there is not showing any pending bills. So by following this method, you can also generate sale invoice against delivery note as I'll show you in this video. I hope this video will help you out. If this video will help you out, so please support me, like, share and subscribe.